In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back button on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. Just tap on Settings and let it load. Once you're in, you'll see a long list of options, so go ahead and scroll down slowly until you find Accessibility. When you see Accessibility, tap on it to open those settings. Now that we're inside Accessibility, scroll down again. There are a lot of options here, so just keep going until you see Touch. Once touch appears, go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can customize how your screen and physical interactions work on your iPhone. Inside the touch menu, scroll all the way down toward the bottom. You're looking for an option called back tap. It's usually near the very bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you find back tap, tap on it. Now you're on the back tap screen, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see two options here, double tap and triple tap. For this example, we're going to tap on double tap. Go ahead and tap on double tap to choose what action happens when you double tap the back of your iPhone. At this point, you'll see a list of features and actions you can assign. Scroll through this list and look for the feature you want to use as your back button. A lot of people choose the back option so they can go back to the previous screen just by double tapping the back of their phone. Once you find the feature you want, tap on it to select it. As soon as you select it, the setting is saved automatically. There's no confirm button or save button here, so once it's checked, you're good to go. You can now tap the back arrow at the top left to exit these settings, or just swipe back until you're out of settings completely. Now to test it out, open any app and go into a screen where you would normally press the back arrow. Instead of tapping the screen, gently double tap the back of your iPhone with your finger. You don't need to tap hard, just a light double tap. If everything is set correctly, your iPhone should go back to the previous screen. This works across most apps and feels very natural once you get used to it. If it doesn't work right away, try adjusting how you tap. Sometimes tapping a little higher or lower on the back of the phone helps. You can always come back to the back tap settings and change the action or switch to triple tap if double tap doesn't feel comfortable for you. You're not locked into one option either. You can change the feature anytime by going back to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap, and choosing a different action. It's very flexible and easy to customize. So just to quickly go over what we did, you opened Settings on your iPhone, went into Accessibility, tapped on Touch, scrolled down to Back Tap, chose Double Tap, and selected the feature you want to activate when you double tap the back of your phone. And that's it, you've successfully added a back button to your iPhone using Back Tap.